The AirPods Lite might potentially become a reality as per a rumor, since Apple could possibly be planning to launch them in the near future. In this case, we would be talking about a much more affordable edition of the AirPods, which are accessories that are not usually very budget-friendly. However, in my opinion, I have a feeling that the name will not be AirPods Lite, despite the fact that this is the name that is being mentioned in the rumors. However, Apple has not yet launched any Lite devices, so I would be more inclined to think that it will simply be called AirPods. It is said that those headphones will start their production a little later this year, and this has been made known by an analyst named Jeff Pu in a speculative way, but it is something that sounds more and more likely, since even Ming-Chi Kuo has also reported that Apple is working on a more affordable edition of the AirPods, which could have a price of approximately $99. And we are aware that Apple is skilled at reducing the size of their devices to provide a low-cost option, despite the fact that it is still quite expensive in comparison to what they are offering to us. So it's likely that these headphones don't have noise cancellation or more advanced features, but rather stick to the basics, but with excellent connectivity with the iPhone, because that's always one of their main attractions.